Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Beauty of Styles channel. My name is Mercy. Today guys, I'm jumping right into the video. As you can see, I'm doing the unboxing of my Christmas tree that I'm going to add in my dining room. As you can see guys, I did a video where I decorate my living area. I already finished with it. It's not a lot, but you know guys, I just moving added it something for Christmas. And as you can see, and today's the day I'm going to redecorate the dining room, just adding my Christmas tree and other stuff. Okay guys, those flowers, I got them a while ago from Walmart, and I haven't used them yet, so I have them for super long time. I think 4 years ago I purchased them after Christmas, and I finally have the place guys and the time to use all my pretty stuff. And guys, as you can see, the way I'm doing the centerpiece for my dining area. And guys, you know, every time I have a day off, I always try to create videos for you guys to give you some ideas. And I hope you guys like it. The garland that I use has extra empty spot. I didn't want them to show. That's why I'm adding those extra leaves just to close the empty spot. For this setting guys, I'm going to add a little hint of black, and I have a set that have been sent to me by BZYOO. As you can see guys, they very beautiful, this Dinnerware set. So I'm going to show you guys everything that have been sent over to me. The first box I'm going to open is the 13 ounces Serenity shot tumbler. It has 4 inside the box. And guys, they are unbreakable for cold drink, dishwasher safe, BPA free, ideal for outdoor and indoor. You can make a great gift out of it for this Christmas season coming up. Guys, it's modern design, versatile use, easy maintenance. Guys, the link will be in the description box down below. Those are great to have. And this one is a 22 ounces. I really love the color and I really love the style. They're very beautiful. It's a must have. And guys, you know what I like about them? Up close you will never tell it's a plastic because they are so high quality, made of ultra durable plastic. And guys, they are unbreakable and shatterproof. Guys, is a worry free. For people like me that have children, this one is a must have. And guys, like you can see, the 13 ounces, you can use all of them for any beverages you prefer. It's a super great set guys, and they have the 7 ounces Serenity champagne glass, 4 pieces in the box. Guys, you can choose to buy 2 boxes if you want to entertain more people, but in the set has only 4 of the 13 ounces, 4 of the 22 ounces, and 4 of the 7 ounces. And guys, as you can see, the picture is super nice, and guys, it's a must have. The link will be in the description down below. If you are looking for something like that, feel free to check it out. And for the dinnerware guys, it's a 12 pieces organica plate in bowl Melamine dinnerware set in black. And I like the design. They have white, they have green, blue, all the colors. And guys, you can choose from me. I like the black one because you know I'm going to use a little hint of black in my decor, so the black is perfect for me. But if you don't want the black, you can choose white, green, or blue. In this set guys, the diner plates are 11 inches, the salad plates are 9 inches, and the bowl are 5.8 inches guys. Perfect for casual outdoor and indoor use. Modern design, best for serving food, made of 100% food safe melamine. Okay guys, the link will be in the description box down below. Feel free to check them out. Okay guys, I always clean my table because of all the flock that in the garland and the flowers. So I want my table to be spotless, perfectly clean. That's why I will clean the table again. But guys, if you're not using anything that have flock on it, you can always keep this part. I always take some time to welcome everyone that's new to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first person to know. In my channel, guys, I do product review, clean with me, DIY. If you're not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all and keep on watching. The Dinnerware, guys, are multifunction, but the only thing, they are not microwave safe, so you cannot put them in the microwave. Other than that, everything about them is super nice and modern.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new.
Okay guys, this is the finished look. Let me know down below what do you think, if you like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family. Please don't forget to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. Even if you don't like it, I still want to hear from you.
How it's supposed to be, making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close, forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be, making our Christmas memories? Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da.
Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours. Si c'est la première fois, moi surtout bienvenue. Non, moi c'est merci. S'il vous plaît, pas oublier abonner et puis partager vidéo avec famille aux amis. Et si c'est pas la première fois tout, moi je vous remercie un peu pour le support. S'il vous plaît, continuez à regarder cette vidéo. Moi,
Wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies.
Okay guys, that's the end of the video and thank you so much for taking your time watching it today. I love you all and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.